But it says no parking. Alright.
Well, if everyone's doing donuts, it's not parking.
I don't know what we're doing.
Me neither. We're doing the odd things.
We have all this
Race car.
power.
Race car.
There's all this burnout lube on the surface out here. So why not do skiddy things with your friends?
We're in race cars.
That's what we're doing. Oopsie.
We haven't opened it. We can't do that.
It's true.
We'll be fixing soon.
We'll be fixing the power issue in this one soon too.
Yeah. You know, cool things happening. Eventually.
Soon to come. Well, at least by this winter, hopefully.
Hopefully.
I got it!
It hit the windshield and I was like, oh, that was a big leap.
So, those magnets you see earlier in this video, that was right there on that headlight cover. Decided they wanted to see another car.
And they said, exiting chat now.
I think it's more like, I'm a head out. Well, no more magnets. They're gone. Oh well.
Rip in pieces. It's really windy.
And really rainy.
Yeah, fucking send it.
Day one of driving in the rain in a Miata. Woo! Day two, driving in the rain in a Miata. Will it ever stop? I don't know what day it is. It's still raining though. And we're still in a Miata. If I was in Jimmy's in a Miata, it likes to just rain inside the vehicle where this seal is, and my whole like left side would be soaked.
It's not wrong.
I would literally might as well, but we like if I was in his NA, I might as well have the top down because it'd be about the same amount of water on me. But this one right here, I got this cool thing down here. That I get to watch the road. It's pretty cool. But yeah, it's just interesting stuff.
Solution to that problem, just take your thumb, shove it down in the hole.
Problem solved.
Yes. Mechanism.
Alright, so let's roll into a little time warp of our spirited driving on this nice rainy Sunday evening.
It's brutal, boys.
Yeah, it's a little cold up here. And windy and wet.
Got
But we
it.
made it. This is undisclosed location. Deep in the mountains. Only accessible by touge.
Got this.
Such a good view though.
I know.
Beautiful.
I wish I
It's
didn't
so
have.
cold. It's scenic. Whoa.
Yes. Very scenic.
Hey,
Hold please. Yeah, so renting all these cabins out and holding a drift event up here would be sick.
Dude. Some other just comes, drifts off the bank into someone's cabin.
Yeah, it's a
Be
possibility
tragic.
of being in like a insurance, like a really big insurance.
Our luck would be Jimmy or me drifting to each other's cabin.
hey, AJ, watch that hole in front of you.
Thanks.
I'd swallow in the auto.
Yeah.
But it says no parking. Alright.
Well, if everyone's doing donuts, it's not parking.
Fair enough. But yeah,
Tees.
I've talked about it for a long time.
Yeah.
We have unlimited.
Okay, I want everybody to see something here. So I want everybody to take a look at this. Yeah, it's
Chilly.
April 26th and it is cold AF. Hold on everybody, for people that don't have any sound to this. Wind, wee.
Blink ball.
Wee. Alright, so that's probably gonna wrap it up. We're about back to the house on this nice Sunday cruise, I guess. You know, covered in rain and a little damp in the Miata, but we made it. So be sure to like and subscribe. Hope you liked our content, and we'll get you out another one next week.